Hi guys, thanks for tuning in for another episode of Boat TV Ribeye. Today's a special day because we've got Dave from Nizpro, who's travelled all the way from Australia to fit one of their new superchargers. Nizpro's on our Ribeye Special Boats Prime 821. So Dave, for those who don't know, could you just summarise Nizpro, the business?
So we're an aftermarket company that developed a supercharger system to bolt onto Yamaha 4.2 litre V6 outboards, which will take the power to 450 horsepower.
And have you fitted one in the UK?
No, this is the first system in the UK.
Awesome. So the 821 with the standard Yamaha 300 V6 is running at about high 40 knots at the moment.
Yeah.
Any idea how fast it's going to go?
So I think we should be able to improve around that sort of 10 knots on top of what it's doing now. Hopefully we get a little bit more, but let's start with that. I'm changing the high pressure fuel pump, just so we can deliver the required fuel volume for the supercharger system.
Right guys, the time is nearly 4 o'clock, coming to the end of the day. Looking forward to tomorrow where we're going to be keeping a close eye on this thing here, which will be telling us how fast we're going to go, acceleration and whatnot. Moving to the back of the boat. As you can see, making good progress. We're going to finish up the day with, that's the supercharger there, which will go in this space here, and then we'll, first thing in the morning we're going to be getting this one in the water for a first test.
No pressure.
Right guys, Dave has just informed us that he's finished the Nizpro engine. So it's looking a bit different to where we started. Can you talk us through what we've done here?
Yeah, so we've now fully installed the supercharger system. Externally, the only modifications you can see are our cow spacer, which we have to elevate the cow so we can fit in the actual supercharger system, and then our external water pickup for the intercooler system. This engine also has one of our modified lower units with an upgraded propeller shaft, and then also one of our nose cones with low water pickups.
Awesome, so we're literally ready to go in the water now?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
So, how do you feel after the first drive with the 450S?
I think it's fantastic. First run out, when we gave it 3/4 throttle, instantly you can feel the sort of mid-range thrust and that sort of punch.
Yep.
Whereas normally on a standard V6, you'd kind of be using all of that sort of throttle range. Yep. Just to get up to the sort of high 40 knots really. You'd really kind of just put it all there, then get your hands back on the steering wheel. So I think if we had a longer test ground, we'd be able to do the 60 for sure.
Yep. What do you think, Rudy?
I think it's great. I think that initial off-the-line hull shot is very, very different, very punchy, and just responsive, and it just seems to keep progressing and progressing.
Yeah,
so definitely that 60 knot barrier is where we want to be aiming for on smooth water.
Perfect, guys.
Right guys, we're back at Ribeye Boats HQ. Got the special boat back inside. Achieved about 60 miles per hour out on the test zone, but needed a bit more water due to rough conditions out at sea. But really pleased with how this boat's performed with the Nizpro. Awesome bit of kit, and I think it really makes this Ribeye a special boat. So thank you for watching, and ciao for now.